Today on Donaldo Cooks, we're gonna take lemon, pepper, put them together, and make 3 awesome dishes. So buckle up, bring your taste buds, and let's get started. So first thing on the menu is a lemon pepper chicken sandwich. This is my favorite sandwich I've ever made, and I want to break it down for you so you can make it at home, and we'll do it in less than a minute. So for this sandwich, I use chicken thighs, but you can use breast or whatever you want to use. But you just want to dredge it in flour, then a beaten egg, and then crushed cornflakes. I have a whole video breaking this down slower and easier to see right here. But for the purpose of this video, just to be kind of quick, that's basically all it is. So boom, 385 already on 10 minutes. We're going to up that to 16. The key here is to have maybe a meat thermometer at home. If you have that, that'd be great because you want your chicken to be 165 Fahrenheit internal for it to be cooked. So anyways, yeah, that's it. Boom, like that. You hit start and bam, just let it cook. When it hits 8 minutes, open it up, give it a flip. You can see here, I can show you what it looks like if you don't flip it. It'll have like a light color on the bottom. It's not a big deal, but if you want it to look the same all the way around, give it a flip. Give the chicken one more spray and close it up. Okay, 8 minutes has gone by. It should be done. Check with the meat thermometer. 165 Fahrenheit is what you're looking for. And that's it. Your chicken is done. Moving on. Okay, now for the lemon pepper sauce, which is super easy. You're just going to start out with 2 tablespoons of butter. Let those melt down and then squeeze half a lemon in there, at least to start. Get about 2 tablespoons of black pepper, a tablespoon of soy sauce, and maybe like 3 tablespoons of honey. The honey is really going to thicken it up. It's going to bring some sweetness. And then I like to add a little bit of like chili. Chili really makes the color and it makes it a little spicy. If you don't like spice, skip the chili. Last but not least is the dredge. Get your chicken in there. It is a pain to get it all over, but take your time, get it on there, especially if you're trying to make it look really nice for somebody. And it looks like this. And that's it, you're done. Put a little sour cream on this. I put a little chive. I also made a cucumber salad, and I got a whole website full of recipes where you can find stuff like that on. But okay, so we're all done with this, and we're moving straight on to lemon pepper chicken wings right out of the air fryer. So first thing you want to do is get your cleaned wings in a bowl and just drizzle them with avocado oil. And then next, get about a half cup of baking powder. Not cornstarch, baking powder. It just works better in the air fryer. And then toss in about 2 tablespoons of paprika, a tablespoon of onion powder, and a tablespoon of garlic powder. And last, a tablespoon of black pepper and a pinch of salt. Get that all mixed really nicely together and we're ready for the air fryer. Make sure to give adequate space around all the wings. You want all that air fryer air to go everywhere around the wing and cook it nice and crispy. And just like before, we're going to cook them at 385, 16 minutes, flipping them halfway through. So at the 8-minute mark, give them all a flip, give it an extra spray. They're going to come out perfect. Just check it with that meat thermometer, 165. Chicken is perfectly cooked. And I'll show it one more time. It's the same sauce we made earlier, so you know exactly how to make it. Just do it again. We're going to pour this over the wing. And that's it. That's the wings. I like to put a little lemon zest on it, maybe some parsley, cilantro, dill, chives, whatever you like. And serve them up. They're delicious. You're gonna love them. And now it is time for the final one, the chicken nuggets, one of my favorites, and a crowd pleaser. If you have kids, they love these. But either way, super easy to make. And if you've made it this far, I'm not gonna waste your time. If you watch the chicken sandwich, the nuggets are essentially exactly the same. You're gonna do flour, egg, crushed cornflakes, get them nice and coated, and throw them in your air fryer. Give them a good spray of oil, cook them for 16 minutes. But instead of flipping, just give it a shake, and they should come out pretty much perfect. 165 is that temperature we're looking for, and that's pretty much it. We're gonna make the sauce the same way, coat them all up, a little lemon zest, a little parsley or cilantro, whatever you like. The end. Perfect for any celebration, people coming over, kids are hungry, that's all there is to it. If you made it to the end, I just want to say thank you so much for watching this whole video. Please subscribe, like, leave a comment, or just click on this next video right here.